When creating files for specialty printing, there's sometimes a need to go ahead and save a spot color channel. This will allow for the insertion of spot ink, such as a Pantone color, during the professional printing process. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and Command or Control click on the thumbnail to load a selection. In this case, I've masked out the color, and you see that I've actually used the color library and assigned the Pantone ink. You could do that if you're in the color picker by just clicking Color Libraries and navigate to the ink you want to use. In this case, I'm using a metallic ink, and Photoshop obviously can't recreate this in the RGB space, but the metallic ink could be used during the professional printing process. In order to define that, I need to go over to Channels with the selection active and click on the panel menu here and choose New Spot Channel. That'll make the channel, and I highly recommend you name it with the ink that you want to use. In this case, it's a Pantone number 8883 C for coded. And I click OK. There's now the specialty spot color channel. That'll be saved with the file as long as I save this as a TIFF or a Photoshop document. It's ready for printing or can be inserted into a professional page layout program like Adobe InDesign.